It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 24th of November. I'm Michael Groff. If you've got any outdoor activities scheduled for today or the upcoming Thanksgiving holiday weekend, the weather won't be getting in the way, that's for sure. Temperatures a little bit above average with a few passing clouds, and that's about it. We might even see temps creeping up toward 80 degrees, maybe the low 80s by next week. We'll just have to see about all of that. And rain chances are staying out of the forecast, at least for now. Let's talk about it first. Yesterday in the valley, 79 degrees the afternoon high, 64 was the morning low. It was a cloudy day with a trace of rain officially at Sky Harbor Airport. And as we take a peek outside right now at 10 a.m., a few high clouds across the valley, and we're sitting at 68 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 45, relative humidity 43%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. The upper air look reveals a short wave diving down here into the southwest, a little follow-up system to what came through here yesterday. And with surface high pressure over the Great Basin, that's going to lead to some breezy to locally windy conditions, especially out over the western deserts. Maybe some breezy conditions here in the valley at times today and even into tomorrow. The watch warning map is relatively quiet, a freeze warning up there over parts of Mojave County. But most of the nation seeing very quiet conditions. The convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather across the country. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, not much, as conditions will remain rather quiet. A few complicating factors to the forecast, but most of those likely not to pan out in our favor, at least as far as rain is concerned. We'll talk about that in more detail as we get to the models right now. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 12Z run. This is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's that little short wave coming into the southwest. A ridge is building in right behind it, a dry northwesterly flow here. So down at the surface today, a few passing clouds. Otherwise, the only real concern will be some breezy to locally windy conditions across southeast California, southwest Arizona. We could see the breezes pick up occasionally here in Phoenix today too. And high temperatures this afternoon in the mid-70s. Tonight, clear sky, overnight lows, mid-40s to low 50s. And then tomorrow, sunny, a little bit breezy at times, and high temperatures, again, mid-70s, should be perfect. Friday, high temperatures, low to mid-70s. The sky remains mostly sunny. And we do see evidence of an upper low once again developing across northern Mexico as we head into the weekend. And some of our model guidance suggests some high clouds coming in here. But I think any cloudiness and any moisture should stay either right along the international border or across northwest Mexico. And I think here in Phoenix, maybe just a few passing clouds for the weekend for both Saturday and Sunday. Otherwise, we are rain-free and high temperatures should be in the mid, maybe even upper 70s. As we get to next week, a growing number of models in our ensemble guidance are showing a stronger ridge building in here across the western states. And that's going to mean temperatures continue to creep up. We might get to the low 80s here for both Monday and Tuesday. It's possible we could see mid-80s in the warmest desert spots. And again, no shot at precipitation in that kind of a setup. And we're looking for those cooler temperatures that we would typically see here in late November, early December, but that's just not in the cards. I'm wondering if we're going to see them at all this winter with a La Nina in full effect. All right, here's a week from today. This is Wednesday. It's the 1st of December, the start of meteorological winter, but it doesn't look like it at all. A big ridge across the western two-thirds of the lower 48. And we are warm and dry in that setup. Then as we take a look out 10 days, this is Friday, the 3rd of December, the GFS says a Rex block develops here with a strong ridge along the west coast and a rather impressive upper low pinned underneath it well off of the Southern California and Baja coast. And a feature that we would have to watch very carefully, but at this point, that still looks warm and dry for us. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, this is going out through the 8th of December, coming off of the European ensemble. Not much hope for any precipitation here anytime soon, with the ensemble mean well under 1/10 of an inch. And temperatures off the European ensemble, above average, highs in the 70s, maybe even sneaking up toward 80 degrees on a couple of days. Overnight lows mostly in the 40s and 50s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, and leave your comments, questions, and suggestions. And in this time of giving thanks, I am thankful to you for all of your continued support, for checking out these videos every day. We just couldn't do this without you. So yes, absolutely, thank you. And speaking of, you guys have yourselves a great Wednesday, a glorious Thanksgiving, Enjoy all of the turkey, ham, mashed potatoes, gravy, pumpkin pie. Well, actually, I'm not having any of that. Myself, the one and only Michelle, and family, we are headed out to Italian food because that's our tradition. But whatever it is that you do for Thanksgiving, please be safe, and we'll see you back here on Friday.